Hello ma'am, myself Ravindra Jangid from group 264. Today I will discuss about the procedure and the precautions while giving intravenous injection to the patient. Equipments which are required in this procedure are non-sterile gloves, tourniquet, antiseptic solution, syringe and paper tape. First of all, we have to wash our hands properly to disinfect them according to the given steps. Secondly, we have to wear sterile gloves to ensure the patient's and our own safety according to the standard procedure. In order to give intravenous injection, we have to apply tourniquet 3 to 4 cm above the elbow joint to highlight the suitable vein. Wait for the vein to swell. Ask the patient to clench and open the fist again and again. Ask the patient to repeat the process until you find the suitable vein. Clean the area properly where you are going to inject. Once you find the proper vein and clean the area, remove the cap of needle and insert the needle at the angle of around 35 degrees. Move the needle slightly into the vein and hold the syringe and needle steady. Aspirate some blood to ensure that you have injected at the right place. If you are assured, then loose the tourniquet. Inject the drug very slowly into the vein, as slow as possible. Check for the pain or swelling. If in doubt whether you are still in the right vein, you can aspirate again. After complete injection of drug into the vein, withdraw needle swiftly. Press the sterile cotton wool onto the opening and secure with the adhesive tape. Check the patient reaction and give additional reassurance if necessary. Clean up, dispose of waste safely. Again, wash your hands properly after the procedure. Thanks for your attention. Have a good day.